So today, 25th of September 2020, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, we are in a position to start new chapter today entitled Divisions of the Creation from third canto Srimad Bhagavatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Naruttamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jaya Mudiraye Nashpraeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki. So text 1. Viduro Acha Antarhite Bhagavati Brahma Loka Pitamaha Prajaha Sasarja Katidha Dahi Kirmana Sirbuhu. Vidura Vacha, Sri Vidura said, Antarhite, after the disappearance, Bhagavati, of the personality of Godhead, Brahma, the first created living being, Lokapitamaha, the grandfather of all planetary inhabitants, Prajaha, generations, Sasarja, created, Kati Daha, how many? Daihi Kihi, Daihi Koha, from the body, Manasehi, from the mind, Vibhuhu, O the great. Translation by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Om Ajnana-Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmritam Venam Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnamasthapita Mena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Radhati Swapadantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shita Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanda Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Prasivanashude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vyasya Kripa Sindhu Vayevacha Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vashadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Peshtaya Bhutale Srimate Jai Pataka Swami Nitinamine Namaha Acharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Bardayine Gaurakatha Damadaya Nagaragramatarane Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Peshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nitinamine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyata Deshatarane Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vashadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Viduro Vacha Antarhite Bhagavati Brahmaloka Pitamaha Prajaha Sasarja Katidha Daihikir Manasair Vibhuhu. So in today you are going to meet Vidur Maharaj, Maitreya Muni and also Suta Goswami. So they are going to give us an audience. They are kindly allowing us to enter to their pastime. So Vidura said, there is no purport for this, so I'll go quickly to the next one. Vidura said, why he said? Because he was hearing very attentively. And when he is hearing, the doubt came in his mind, or anxiety, or inquisitiveness in his mind, that how could Brahma do this? He knew it well, that he has been blessed by the Lord. Lord said, I will fulfill your desire. That's all right. But how he personally did it? And he said, please let me know. So the citizen, how it has taken place, he wanted to know that he is a grandfather of all the planetary inhabitants, and all the planets. Mind you here, Brahma is the grandfather of inhabitants, but not this Chiti Jala Gagana Pavaka Samira. That is separated energy of the Lord. You remember? Bhumira Panaro Bayo, Kamono Buddhirevacha, Ankara Mitya Me Vinna Prakriti. So these basic ingredients are there. So Vidura was listening very attentively, and he knew that he is the grandfather of the inhabitants. And inhabitant means whoever he is. Those who have the body. Because as we know, that every 1000 Chaturyuga, the Brahma, when he goes to sleep, there is particular annihilation of Bhubhursvaha, partial. And when again wakes up, he starts doing the citizen again. Whatever has been before. Like when you go to sleep and you have some leftover work done, when you get up in the morning, you pick up it from that point. So he says, he is the grandfather of planet system, and what he did? Created the bodies of living entities from his own body. Amazing, isn't it? For a human being, we need a male and female to produce a child, but Brahma could do it. And not only from the body, even from the mind. And not only mind and body, even from his shadow. From his shadow also. He has generated the living entities like Marishi and all, from their eyes, from the skin. So he want to know, how did he do it? And he did it only after the disappearance of the Supreme Person of Godhead. Beautiful, isn't it? So now you have met Vidura Maharaj. He is asking further maybe one more question. Yeah, one more question is there. Is it? Ye chame bhagavan prishtas tvayi artha bahuvittamam tan badashwan upurvenya chindina sarva samsayan. Ye, although, cha, also, may, by me, Bhagavan, O powerful one, Prishtaha inquired, Tvai unto you, Ardhaha, purpose, Bahuvit, Tama, O greatly learned one, Tan, all of them, Badashwa, kindly describe, Anupurvena, from beginning to end, Chindihi, kindly eradicate, Naha, my, Sarva, all, Samsayaha, doubt. So beautiful. Again, he is saying, I have the doubt has the crept in, so you are only who can mitigate those doubts. Oh, greatly learned one, kindly eradicate all my doubts and let me know of all that I have inquired from you from the beginning to the end. Sometimes we don't take the instruction. We had a very fun this morning when Guru Maharaj was giving the initiation. He told them that please just ask once, Guru Maharaj, please give me Diksha. And then generally people are overwhelmed. In excitement, they are asking 4 times, Guru Maharaj, give me lecture. Guru Maharaj, give me lecture. Guru Maharaj. And Guru Maharaj saying, they are asking three times. So what happened? The doubt eradicates, and nobody tried to ask what we're supposed to do. Even telling, but they were, they become dumb and deaf because of excitement. They couldn't even hear. So he says, kindly eradicate my doubt. Shamshay Atma Vinashyati. If somebody has doubt about anything, the soul does not progress. Samsaya. And Krishna says, Samsaya Atma Vinasti. So therefore, no Samsaya. Be free from all the Samsaya. Dvanda Mukta. Free from Dvanda. Then you can understand. So, Vidur Maharaj is trying to eradicate his all doubts. And the right personality is his spiritual master. He is father's friend. And he says, let me know of all that I've inquired from you from the beginning to end. Now he says, right from the beginning. Right from the beginning, please, I want to know. So this is the beauty of devotional service. You want to know possibly everything about Krishna. Right? And Prabhupada said that please read my books. He has 60 books. I don't know how many of you read it. But then, though we may have not read all books of Srila Prabhupada, but we have read the books of previous acharyas, some Puranas or Puranas, or the Vedas, somehow or other. Very inquisitive. But a simple instruction, read my books. Nobody has taken it serious. Prabhupada said in the purport, small purport here. Vidura asked all relevant questions of Maitreya because he knew well that Maitreya was the right person to reply to the points of his inquiries. One must be confident about the qualification of his teacher. Like in Naimisharana they say, Toya Khalu Puranani Setihasani Chanaga Akhyatani Vidhani Dharmasastrani Yanita Yani Vedavedam Sreshto Bhagavan Badarayan, and so many things. So the qualification, they know the Guru can decimate the darkness of ignorance. And therefore, even nowadays, particularly in Jayapataka Maharaj, he says, okay, send me WhatsApp message, write email to me, you can inquire from me, I will always reply. So they are so magnanimous to answer all the questions, to help the devotee to be firmly established in the Krishna consciousness. Prabhupada says, one should not approach a layman for replies to specific spiritual inquiries. How the layman will know? Such inquiries, when replied to with imaginative answers by the teacher, are a program for wasting the time. So waste the time. Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj was saying very nice today. He's saying, when you chant, we sleep. Sleep does not mean that you really actually go to sleep. When your mind diverts from the course of action, that's sleep. That time we sleep in the lap of Maya. And while chanting in one hand and dreaming so very nicely. The furthermore was, the best one was that we are not happy when we are chanting. But when we finish our 60 round, then we become very happy. Oh. Prabhupada had with Shruti Kirti Prabhu one very nice anecdote that Prabhupada was chanting and some problems were going on as usual in the administration. And Prabhupada is pacing the floor and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. And then all of a sudden, He finished his rounds. He put the beat on the table. He said, Sruti, now I finished my chanting, I can do any damn thing. I can resolve all the problems. But that is a great personality. He had, again, thinking of Krishna consciousness. And we think other than Krishna. Manorathena dhavato vahi. Our mind goes from one object to another object. Yato yato manah chanchala nyametet atmaneva vasam navet. Very lovely sloka on the 6th chapter. Whenever and wherever the mind diverts, bring it back under the control. And how? If you are conscious of our diversification, if you are conscious of what I am supposed to do, then it is very easy to control the mind. Otherwise, this mind or senses are the horses driving the chariot without any reins in the hand of the Shiva. So, the relevant question must be asked. This is the duty of a student, to get clarified all the doubts. But then, if you are sincere in your inquiry, your answer will definitely come. The right answer will definitely come. But if you are tasting the Guru, then the answer will not come. Then you will get more confused. Then you will say, this Maharaj has said this, that Prabhu has said this, that Santa has said this, that Rishi has said this, what I am supposed to do. Mahajano in Gatha Sa Pantaha. Those who are following the Mahajanas. And as Maharaj was also very saying, I don't know how many of you heard Maharaj. Maharaj is saying that in India, they are saying the holy name of the Lord is so powerful, so powerful, so powerful. Even if you meet due to Papa Karma, you can wash it off. So they are the gurus, right? They know, absolutely right, that Hare Krishna Mahamantra is so very powerful. So very powerful. Therefore, that Namapara, that under the protection of the Nama, we can do any heinous act. And people get convinced, right? They know the Krishna and his name are so very powerful. So they like the papas are like a darkness. And in the sun that there is no darkness. So therefore, whatever I do in the body, as soon as I chant the name of Krishna, finish, everything finished. But that is not the case. So please ask a question and then you will really enjoy. I'm taking the third sloka also. Suto vacha evam sanchoditastena chhatra koshara virmuni pritaha pratyahatan prashnan hridyastanatha bhargava. Suto vacha, Sri Suta Goswami said, evam, thus, sanchoditaha, being enlivened, tena, by him, chhatra, by Vidura, Kausharavehi, the son of Kushara, Munihi, the great sage, Pritaha, being pleased, Pratyaha, replied, Tan, those, Prashnan, question, Hridyastan, from the core of his heart, Adha, thus, Bhargava, O son of Virgo. Translation. Suta Goswami said, O son of Bhrigu, the great sage Maitreya Muni, thus, hearing from Vidura, felt very much enlivened. Everything was in his heart, and thus he began to reply to the questions one after another. The beauty of Srimad Bhagavatam is that they even mention the father and mother's name so that people don't get confused. Somebody say, no, this fellow was different than that, this fellow different than that. But then they make sure that the people don't get diversified or imagination. So here, like Koshara, they are saying the father of Maitreya Muni. So they are making sure that nobody deviates. For passage in Vasa commentary, the phrase Sutta Vacha, Sutta Goswami said, appears to indicate a break in the discourse between Maharaja Parikshit and Sukadeva Goswami. While Sukadeva Goswami was speaking to Maharaja Parikshit, Sutta Goswami was only one member of the large audience. But Sutta Goswami was speaking to the sage of Naimisharanya, headed by Saunaka, a descendant of Sukadeva Goswami. This, however, does not make any substantial difference in the topic under discussion. So I think fourth one also, let me take the fourth one also, it is good. Maitreya Vacha Brincho api tatha chakre divyam varsa satam tapah atmanyatmanam avishya yataha bhagavan ajaham. Maitreya Vacha, the great sage Maitreya said, Virinchaha Brahma api also tatha, in that manner Chakre performed Divyam celestial Varsha Shatam 100 years Tapaha penances Atmani unto the Lord, Atmanam his own self, Avishya engaging, Yatha Aha as it was spoken, Bhagavan the person of Godhead, Ajaha the unborn. Translation: the greatly learned sage Maitreya said, O Vidura, Brahma thus engaged himself in penance for 100 celestial years, as advised by the personality of Godhead, and applied himself in devotional service to the Lord. A small purport that Brahma engaged himself for the person of Godhead, Narayana, means that he engaged himself in the service of the Lord. That is the highest penance one can perform for any number of years. There is no retirement from such service, which is eternal and ever increasing. So today we have met Vidura, we have met Maitreya, we have met Shuta, and we have met Saunaka. So many great personalities has given us their audience to us. How happy we are. And of course, we are hearing from Srila Prabhupada. So this way, one can really understand. Now this chapter, quickly we'll go through, whatever it comes through. So the whole idea is, Prabhupada is saying, there is no age of retirement for devotional service. There is no Friday, there is no holiday, there is no national day. Always japa, tapa, japa, tapa, on and on and on. Sarveshu kaleshu, anushmara, of Mam anushmara. And this way, one can really enjoy the life. But in the old age, we say, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, I cannot do that. But eating, yeah, I can eat that, I can eat that, that's not a problem, that's not a problem. So we are very enthusiastic to maintain the body, but very few were enthusiastic in maintaining the soul. So the time has come that we maintain the soul. The food for the soul. See, whatever food we give to the body, one day we want to leave it. And whatever the food we give to the soul is eternal. It'll enjoy the company of the great Vaishnavas, and with their blessings, the company of Krishna. We can all achieve that with our sincere prayers, sincere efforts. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.